The Sennheiser HD 450BT wireless headphones allow you to enjoy TV audio privately through Bluetooth, making them perfect for late-night viewing or immersive listening without disturbing others. Before connecting them to your television, the headphones must be powered on and placed into Bluetooth pairing mode so the TV can detect them. Most modern smart TVs support wireless audio devices, and once paired, the headphones will automatically reconnect whenever Bluetooth is enabled. Try these. Step 1. Press and hold the power button on the headphones for about 2 seconds until you hear the startup voice prompt. Step 2. Continue holding the button for a few more seconds until the Bluetooth pairing indicator light begins flashing. Step 3. On your TV, open Settings, then Bluetooth or Sound Output, then Bluetooth devices. Step 4. Select Sennheiser HD 450BT from the list of available devices to start pairing. Step 5. Confirm the connection and test the audio to ensure the TV sound plays through the headphones.